Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create monthly budget on Google Sheets. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Google Sheets application on your phone. And this is my Google Sheets application. And if you want to create monthly budget in Google Sheets, we don't have to do it manually, guys. We can use the Google Sheets template. So we just need to click on this plus button. Then we can click on choose templates right here. And then there will be a lot of templates that we can use. And since we want to create monthly budget, we just need to click on monthly budget right here. And right after you click on the template will be created on your spreadsheet. And you can modify the template as you need. And just wait, guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the template. You can customize this template as you like, guys. You can edit the table, you can edit the chart, and it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's how we can create monthly budget in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.